In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Shopify automation for abandoned cart and abandoned checkout. This is a really important setup if you want to recover lost sales automatically. When someone adds products to their cart or starts the checkout process but doesn't finish, Shopify can send follow-up emails for you, bringing those customers back to complete their purchase. Let's walk through exactly how to turn these automations on. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the menu on the left-hand side. Here, find the option labeled Marketing. Go ahead and click on it. When you do, it will expand and show more options underneath. From those options, click on Automations. This is where Shopify keeps all the automated workflows that can run in the background for your store. After you click Automations, you'll see a list of all the automations that are available or already set up in your store. Take a moment to look through this list. Among the options, you should see two specific workflows. One called Recover Abandoned Cart and another called Recover Abandoned Checkout. These are the ones we're going to enable. Let's start with the Recover Abandoned Cart automation. Click on it to open the details. You'll now see an information page for this automation. Typically, this includes a description of what the workflow does and a visual flow showing the steps, such as when the email is sent after a cart is abandoned and what message is used. This is helpful because it gives you a clear overview of how Shopify will follow up with your customers. Once you've had a quick look, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you should see a button that says Turn on Automation. Click that button. Shopify may take a few moments to process your changes, so just wait for it to finish loading. When it's done, the abandoned cart automation will be active and running for your store. Next, click the back button or navigate back to the automations list to return to where all the workflows are displayed. This time, select the Recover Abandoned Checkout automation. Just like before, you'll be taken to a page that explains what this automation does and shows the workflow steps. Again, look to the top right corner and click Turn on Automation. Wait a short moment while it loads. Once it's finished, your abandoned checkout automation will also be active. That's it. With both of these automations turned on, Shopify will now automatically reach out to customers who leave items behind, giving you a better chance to recover those sales without any extra manual work.